Hello, everyone. Welcome to Citing Evidence Part 2. What I'm going to do with you guys today is I'm going to go through a little bit of the key concepts, the how-to, and then I'm going to skip down to the you do, and I'm going to guide you guys through doing that on your own. Okay? So before you continue on this video, please pause and get your citing evidence notes out. Do it now. All right, so if you are watching this, that means you had paused the video and opened up a tab that says citing evidence on your own computer. Great job. So quickly, before I get down to the you do, just a quick review of what we did earlier this week. So some of the key concepts underlying citing evidence looks like this. Many questions will ask you to prove your answer is correct by citing evidence. Now, you guys don't have to switch your tab over and write this in because you already had it done earlier in the week. I'm just reviewing. So many questions ask you to prove your answer is correct by citing evidence. A TTQA gives a correct answer, but it doesn't prove it. They may use the phrase support your answer or explain using text evidence. Those are some ways you know that a question is looking more than a sentence. If they say support your answer or explain using text evidence, that means you got to do more than a TTQA. So those you need more because one sentence cannot answer the question and prove your answer is correct. You'll need to do more. Scrolling on down, how to. So when you do see support your answer or explain using text evidence, how do you construct your answer? Well, it's a few simple steps. First, TTQA and answer the question, something you guys are very good at so far. So I'm just going to put check next to that. Next, use a sentence starter. I'm going to give you the best sentence starter I think I ever give, according to the author. So you don't need to use according to the author. There are a few different ways. You could say in the text it states, or in paragraph 3 it states, things like that. But the one that'll almost always work is according to the author. Next, you have to use quotation marks, which look like that. So your first sentence is a TTQA. Your second sentence starts with according to the author. Then you do quotation marks, and then you give an exact copy of your evidence. Okay? So I'm going to read with you this short little story here, and then the video is going to pause to give you an opportunity to go through and answer these questions. Okay? As Heather stared out the window, the balloons tied to the mailbox caught her eye. It was her 13th birthday party, and she was still waiting and hoping that at least one person would show up. She double-checked the time on the invitation and then checked her phone. No one had sent her a message saying that they were running late, and the party started an hour ago. She didn't understand. She had made a point of telling everyone how much better her party would be at the last few birthday parties she attended. She pointed out that Elise's cake was homemade and that hers would be from a bakery. At Drew's house, she told everyone that her television was much bigger, so it would make it easier for everyone to watch it. She even passed out the invitations in front of her entire class, but had invited everyone, so that some of her guests knew how exclusive the party was. She was flummoxed as to why no one had shown up yet. So here's what I need you guys to do. I'm going to need you to pause this video when I say so, go over to the tab where you have this document open, and answer these 3 questions. You're going to answer them each in 2 sentences. If your answer is 1 sentence, you're doing the wrong thing. Your answer needs to be 2 sentences long, okay? The first sentence is a TTQA, and the second sentence starts with according to the author, and then brings in some text evidence. You won't be able to copy and paste any of this text, so you're going to have to do a little bit more typing than you'd probably care for, but that's how it goes, okay? 3 questions, 2 sentences each. First sentence is a TTQA. Second starts with according to the author, all right? Your first question, what surprised Heather about her birthday party? Cite evidence from the text. Your next question, why didn't anyone show up to Heather's party? Support your answer with citations from the text. And 3, what could flummoxed mean? Flummoxed is right here. What could flummoxed mean? use context clues to support your answer. So you can go ahead, turn this video off and go over to that other tab. If you do want this text reread though, just rewind the video a little bit and watch it again. Thanks. Good luck. Bye.